hell, if we being honest, maybe even years, on how I want to be remembered. I feel like no one knows the real me, like the real Shy. Some days I don't know what I want to do or even what I want to wear, but I do know who I am, and you will too. I have story times for days that taught me so many life lessons, and ain't no telling what you'll see on a weekend vlog, child. Welcome to my channel. What's up, it's me, Shy, and I know it's been a minute, right? So I'm sorry, y'all, I had to close the door. I always do that in every video. I feel like why is this the time I realize I need to close the door? But anyways, so y'all, I'm here with a shoe review. I probably haven't did a shoe review since last year, but we're back at it. I just want to give a big shout out to my new subscribers. I got a lot of new subscribers, even though I haven't posted a video in like 20 something days. I'm chirping, but you know, life be life, but we back at it. So before we get into the shoe, like, share, comment, and subscribe. All right. So today, y'all, it's a shoe inside this Nordstrom bag. So let me tell y'all something. This shoe that's in this bag, it's not a shoe I would normally get, which is crazy. So the shoe is Nike Air Force 1 Low United in Victory sneaker. Y'all, I seen this girl that work at Nordstrom on TikTok. I do not know her name, but her TikTok sometimes come on my For You page, and I seen her post these, and I was like, now I'm not an Air Force girl, but these, come on, focus now. But these, I might have to have. And it was one of those things where it was all like, okay, I like how they look on the phone, but would I really like them when I go in store and see them? So I had to go in store to really make my decision. So like I said, they're the Nike Air Force 1 Low United in Victory sneaker. It has a hemp, what would you call that? Dang, focus. I know y'all tired of this one. You tired of it too. Damn, they won't focus. It has a hemp design all over the shoe. It's crazy. But I'm gonna take this shoe out of the box, because we're gonna unbox them and let you see. So what I did, I went to Phillips Plaza, and guess what I did? I got the shoe. And the crazy thing about this is I got the last one in my size. So we're opening the shoe up. Let me try to get a little thumbnail first. Y'all know I gotta get a thumbnail. I got to get the thumbnail. I think this is cute. Alright, y'all. Can y'all see the shoe? It's crazy, right? It's crazy. It's kind of bright in my bathroom. It's kind of bright. Oh, that looks good on camera, bro. That looks so good on camera. But this is the shoe. So what I didn't know, because I hadn't worn Air Forces since I was like in middle school. You know, the classic white joints you get when you go back to school. So it's been years ago. So I did not know that you have to downsize when you get Air Forces, because naturally in women's I'm a 7, but I needed a 6.5, 6. And so when I went there, they had a 6.5 on display. I tried it on, y'all. Y'all really wish I could see the shoe in person. Like, this shit is crazy. I'm trying to see if I can get another thumbnail. This is crazy, bro. Like, I don't even know if the camera's doing it any justice. But like I was saying, so they had a 6.5 on display, and I tried on the, because my boyfriend was all like, you know, Air Forces run big, and I was all like, Oh, okay, so I can probably fit this 6.5, and yeah, I fit it. This shoe retails for $130, and oh, I didn't even complete my story. But anyways, so when I took the shoe up to let them know I wanted the shoe, the girl was all like, "Girl, you're lucky because that was the last one we had, the last shoe we had. People ate these up. They literally came out last Friday, I believe. So it is now a couple of days from Friday." But people like really was eating these up. But it's crazy because they're still online. They haven't sold out online on Nordstrom, that is. So this is the right shoe, and it has the little Nike check. That is so cool. Oh, but you know what this is though, y'all? It's like a whistle, but it's a Nike check at the same time. But it's a whistle, bro. Y'all think I can blow into this? Bro, it really works. What the heck? I was not okay. Is that kind of nasty that I just did that? I don't know where this shoe been. My lips gonna fall off. Y'all know me. I'm a little germaphobe. And I thought about it after the fact. And now me looking in the mirror when there's a whole camera right here in front of my face. But yeah, this is cute, y'all. And then they got the, I wish it would focus. They got the gold little whatever you call that. I bet sneakerheads are gonna watch this and be like, "Girl, what? United in victory." Oh, y'all want to check the inside out of this? This is on the tag. Y'all see that? Ooh, don't look at my booty scratching nails, bro. But these are bomb. They also had another Air Force like this, but instead of the hemp design being all over the shoe, it was just on the Nike part, which they were okay, but they ain't these though. And they ain't these though. They ain't these though. That ain't these though. They are not the. Trying to give y'all some. All the reviews are saying like these are so cute, they're so different, and they're so cute. They are like this is my, and y'all like it's so crazy. This is like the first shoe I have bought for myself this year, and it's August. It's crazy. And this is the, let's move the shoe out of the way. This is the box it comes in. In Football United. So it's basically like a can y'all read that? Let's see if it clears up for y'all. Oh, the other shoe falling out. Lord, they have mercy. Why is this my life? Oh, sorry. Only me, right? I can't do nothing right. So that inside part says, in Football United, a future not defined by ideas of the past, rewritten with a brave new joy. United in victory. So obviously it's like a soccer type. Don't kill me if I'm wrong, but it's like a soccer Air Force. I'm not a soccer watcher, so but the shoe is dope.
What the fuck?
Yeah, so I'm not a soccer fan, but this shoe is pretty dope. So soccer fans, don't chew me up in the comments, okay? Trying to figure out anything else I can tell you about the shoe. The bottom is just the norm. Just the norm. So I gotta put these bad boys back in the box. That's cool about that whistle though. I did not know that about that whistle. But these are probably, I won't say my favorite because I haven't worn them yet. But I'm so excited to wear them. So excited. So here's the receipt. If it focus. Focus, focus, focus. Alright. So it's the basic tax. The shoe was $130, came up to $141.57. It was $11.57 in Texas. So yeah, y'all. If y'all want to get these, hurry up. Nordstrom. Now. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy to be back, and I'm so thankful for all the new subscribers. Thank you. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you like these shoe review vibes, let me know. I might do a few more. Bye.